In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add environment variables in Vercel. To get started, log into your Vercel dashboard and open the specific project where you want to add the variable. This is important because environment variables are managed at the project level, so you'll want to make sure you're editing the correct application before making any changes. Once you're inside the project overview page, click on the Settings tab at the top. This is where Vercel keeps the configuration options for your project, including domains, build settings, and of course, environment variables. From the Settings area, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Environment Variables. This section is where you can store values your app needs, such as secret tokens, API credentials, or other configuration data that shouldn't be hard-coded directly into your source code. Now you'll begin entering the variable details. In the key field, type the name of your variable. This is the identifier your application will use to reference the value, so make sure it matches exactly what your code expects. Naming consistency matters here because even small differences can cause the variable not to work properly. Next, in the value field, paste the actual secret token or configuration value you want Vercel to store. Be careful during this step since these values are often sensitive. It's a good idea to double check for extra spaces or missing characters before saving, especially if you're copying and pasting from another source. After that, choose which environments should have access to this variable. Vercel allows you to control where each variable is available, which helps keep your setup organized and secure. You'll see options for production, preview, and development. Production is typically used for your live app, the version your end users interact with. Preview is commonly used for testing changes before they go live, and development is for your local or active development workflow. Select the boxes that match how you want this variable to be used. If a variable is only needed in one stage, it's best to limit it to that environment rather than enabling it everywhere. When everything looks correct, click the Save or Add button to secure your changes. At that point, the environment variable will be stored in Vercel and associated with the environments you selected. That's all it takes to add environment variables in Vercel. Just make sure your key, value, and environment selections are correct before saving, and you'll have a clean and secure setup for your project.